Tonight, new developments in a Jesse Jones investigation. This Army vet was paralyzed by a foreign driver who rented a car and can't be found.
He turned right into Nick Davey and permanently paralyzed him.
Now, a new bombshell in the evidence against the car rental company.
The lawsuit claims the car rental giant should not have rented the car to the Saudi Arabian man.
And now Jesse Jones has the explosive documents that show Avis rented to this man after he hit Nick Davey.
The accusation is a legal bombshell. Lawyers representing Nick Davey say Avis withheld important documents it asked for 20 months ago in their civil case against the rental car giant. Davey is suing Avis, claiming it should not have rented a vehicle to a Saudi Arabian man who hit and paralyzed the former Army Ranger while he was riding his motorcycle in 2015.
I'm mad that they have a real terrible way of filtering people that can be trusted driving on the roads.
Avis rented the SUV to Abdulaziz Obeydan. Tony Shapiro, Davey's lawyer, says under Washington law, the rental should not have taken place because the counter agent could not read the license that is primarily written in Arabic.
And what that does is it violates the statute because you need to make sure that you have a facially valid license. She couldn't tell whether that was a license or a high school diploma.
Shapiro also says the rental was illegal because agents must match and verify signatures. His experts say the signature given when he returned the vehicle doesn't match the one from when it was rented. The new evidence turned over by Avis shows that Mr. Obeydan rented a vehicle from this Avis location in Everett 10 days after the accident. He also rented from the company twice in April 2016 in Pocatello, Idaho, once this February from Dulles Airport near Washington, D.C. Plus, the signatures in some of those rentals do not appear to match the one given before the accident with Davey. There's more. The driver's license number used in these rentals also matched the one Obeydan gave the police officer in the accident. But there are questions about the validity of that license. Obeydan's number begins with a 1. But according to Davey's lawyers, Saudi Arabian driver's license numbers always begin with the number 2. In a statement, Avis says in all of these rentals, including the one that occurred 4 days prior to Mr. Obeydan's accident with Mr. Davey, the counter agents recorded the same driver's license number for Mr. Obeydan. This was the same driver's license number that the police recorded after the accident with Mr. Davey, an accident in which there was no arrest made. Obeydan was cited for failure to yield the right-of-way. The officer at the scene said he had no way to check to find out if that license was valid.
His was a Saudi Arabian driver's license, so no, we have no way to check their database.
You weren't able to check if it was legit or not?
Correct. I have to take it on faith.
In his rentals, Obeydan gave multiple addresses, 2 different ones in Pocatello, one in Washington, D.C., and another that just said Saudi Arabia. He gave phone numbers from Washington State, Idaho, and Montana. Davey's lawyers are asking for the judge to issue a default judgment against Avis. At this point, no one has been able to find or contact Mr. Obeydan.
No doubt Nick Davey's medical bills are piling up at this point.
A lifetime of bills is facing this former hero. I mean, he is a hero and a former Ranger, and you should, I mean, it's tough to talk to him because he was so fiercely independent.
Sure.
And now he's...
He served. I'm glad at this point you can help him. Now, if you have something you want Jesse to investigate, call him 844-77-JESSE. You can